Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.3.17 Review door. All door dimensions have been entered. On the elevation pedestal sheet, 2 buttons are used to enter the opening size and the panel size. The door opening and panel buttons are labeled DMNS S1 DOR BSE OPNG LWR, which means dimensions section 1 door base opening lower. DMNS S1 DOR BSE A or L LWR, which means dimensions section 1 door base all or left lower. On the project dimension sheet, the 5 opening dimensions values were entered in row 496, and the 5 panel dimension values were entered in row 498. These 10 measurements will provide an accurate door cost workup. Green characters in rows 496 and 498 means they can be changed. Rows 495 and 497 display the same values with red characters. Red characters means the values are formulae which should not be changed. Cell protection is off in the original format of the application. If an incorrect entry is made, change it directly on this project dimensions sheet. Or you can click the appropriate dimensions macro button for the feature on any sheet throughout the application. The macro will prompt for the entry of the 5 dimensions values. This example 1.3.17 is complete. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.3.18.